Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and today is Father's Day. I'm talking low because I don't want him to hear me, he's still in bed. So you guys know we do Father's Day around here just like how we do Father's Day every other year. Got up making breakfast for the king and the kids make their cards and we doing all of that and have plans for the rest of the day. But anyway, here is today's Father's Day spread. So the king will be here. Eggs, bacon, pancake, and hot chocolate coming right up. And Sarah made this one at school. This one at school, you know, Tyler is way past making the card thing at school by his age. So Tyler made this post for babe. And we're about to wake him up. Start, Tyler, yes. Look at me. Say hello. What is today? What message do you have for Papa? What do you have to say to Papa on Father's Day?
Happy Father's Day.
And
bonne fête, Papa.
And I
love you.
Very good. Sarah. Sarah. Take off your headphone. Take off your headphone. Say hello.
Hello.
What is today?
It's birthday.
No, it's Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Sarah. She's watching her tablet. Look at Mama. Say Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
You ready to go wake up Papa and give him the surprise? Yeah, but mosquito biting you. Look, mosquito bite you on your nose. And mosquito bite you on your... This is how my kids get whenever mosquito bite them. See that? See that? So I have something to rub on it for the after bite. Look on her feet. Let me see. Where the mosquito bite you? Where mosquito bite you? On your nose?
Yes.
And here?
She didn't bite her on your nose.
Yes, it did. Anyway, all right, let's go have breakfast, Papa.
En l'air, sur la tête, aux épaules et en avant, bras croisés sur les côtés, et où c'était. Mama,
Yes, sir.
I want pancake.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
Soft. Bonne fête, Papa.
Merci mon petit cœur.
Papa, regarde mon gâteau. C'est un cadeau.
Ah, un cadeau.
Quoi? Deux de Sarah et un de moi.
C'est joli. Alors moi c'est celui-là que je vais ouvrir en premier.
D'accord.
C'est toi qui as fait ça?
Oui. C'est une presse.
Tu as fait ça à l'école?
Oui.
Waouh.
Même pour faire la peinture.
Ah, mais c'est là comme à la danse, comme à la kermesse?
Oui. Oui.
Oh,
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
mais qu'est-ce que c'est?
Tada!
Oh, mais c'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est papier.
Mais il y a quoi dans le papier?
Une livraison express pour papa. Livraison express pour papa.
Waouh.
Le dauphin.
C'est quoi ça?
Le dauphin.
C'est un dauphin? Merci Sarah.
Merci. Et un autre,
Oui,
papa.
oui, on va regarder l'autre, d'accord? Joyeuse, désolé. Oh là là. Joyeuse fête, papa. Et oui, si tu mets un S ici et pas de S ici, ça c'est une faute. Que soit
And red color.
Merci pour tout.
Mama, red color. And colorful, Mama. Sarah, look.
Bonne fête, papa.
Bonne fête.
Fête open.
C'est quoi dedans?
Je sais pas, il faut ouvrir ou il faut pas ouvrir? C'est collé, hein?
Oui, c'est collé.
I'm not sure. Hein?
I don't think anything
I don't think that you open this. I think it's just bonne fête, papa. Merci, Sarah.
Merci. Mama, I want pancake.
Okay, you're gonna
Sarah, look, orange juice and chocolat chaud.
T'as fait des cadeaux à l'école?
Oui.
Merci beaucoup.
Mama, can I serve? Sarah, you want bacon? Yes. Can I have it?
Happy Father's Day.
Look! Mama.
Dinner with a view.
Yeah, two spoiled kids.
Poor rotten kids. Merci beaucoup.
Bon appétit à vous,
Wow,
mademoiselle.
merci.
I want lemon.
You want lemon?
No,
Okay.
I like lemon.
What's that? That's chocolate? Look, Tai Tai. Look, see Tai Tai coming. Look, look, look. Sarah's in there. Look, he's gone. Look, he's gone up. He's over there. You soon see him. Wait. You're gonna see him up here.
Qui m'empêche de dormir et qui ne peut pas partir. Les milliards d'insectes qui nous piquent et qui grattent. Tous ces petits bêtes, deux antennes et six pattes. Quelques millimètres, créatures formidables. Il faut bien l'admettre qu'elles sont indispensables. Il y en a de toutes sortes, des cloportes, scarabées à nœuds, deux abeilles, qui avec le pollen fabricant de mon miel. Faut en prendre soin en faisant les bons choix. And I'm happy. I watch TV. And I'm sleepy. You turn it off. And I'm angry. You turn me off. And I'm ready. Feel happy. You love me, I am so sick. It's not funny. When you come back, I am happy.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.